In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Slack. Now, Slack might not have a direct block feature like some other platforms, but you can still manage your interactions effectively. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Slack website. It's a good idea to do this on a computer rather than a mobile device to ensure you have all the functionality you need. Once you've arrived at the website, you'll notice the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your account details. In this demonstration, we'll log in using Google, which is a common method for many users. Clicking on Google will prompt you to sign in using your Google account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to select or enter your Google credentials and authenticate your login. If you find yourself running into any issues here, make sure your browser is up to date and that your internet connection is stable. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll be brought to the home page of your Slack workspace. Now, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you need to. From here, you'll need to locate the user you wish to block. In Slack's terminology, blocking can be equated to muting a user, which prevents their messages from appearing in your direct line of communication. To do this, navigate to the sidebar where your direct messages and channels are listed. Find the name of the person you're looking to mute, then simply right-click on their name. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. Take a moment to review these options if you're curious, but ultimately look for the mute option. This effectively mutes their notifications, reducing distractions from that user without them necessarily knowing on their end. It's a polite and effective way to manage communication. Remember, you can always unmute the user if you need to reestablish communication or if you feel they have important information to share at a later stage. Just follow the same steps and click on Unmute to reverse the process. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Slack experience remains focused and aligned with your professional goals. Managing your notifications in this way is just one of the many features Slack offers to help you stay organized and productive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.